Alright, hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be taking down my mini twists and doing a mini twist out that you guys seen in my Lazy Natural Tips. That was the style that I used, or that I had. So my hair, I've had it in over a week. I normally keep it in like 2.5 weeks, but for the sake of the video I wanted to take it down a little bit sooner so that it wouldn't be so frizzy. This was just one of the styles that I was wearing, and I kind of did like a braid out on the hair, and that's what gave it like this little wave look. So we are gonna take her down. I probably should have been did this so that the hair would like fall in place. But see, it really don't look that bad, and it's really only as frizzy as it is because I did oil my scalp and I kind of was giving myself scalp massages. So, but this is what it looks like down. It still look really good, y'all. Like, I don't know, I low-key don't want to take it out, but I feel like it's time, because I do miss my hair being out. So I'm just gonna take down like a row at a time. That way you try to that way hopefully, you know, you take them all out, because I feel like with mini twists I always miss one. And I'm taking it out with my apricot oil. Probably should put this on all the hair, but so how I take it out, there's two ways to take it out. You can like take it from the root and just pull it, or you can unravel it. It just depends on how I'm feeling, honestly. I feel like if you know that you might have borrowed hair, then you might want to like do it this way instead of pulling it from the root. Because if you go to pull it from the root and then you might have borrowed some hair, now you know what I'm saying, now that's breakage. So yeah, but this is a really easy step. It's just taking it and unswirling. Simple. It's just gonna take a minute, probably like 20 minutes to undo. And the great thing about this is that it's already like, the twists are so small that it's already separated, so you don't really have to go in and like separate them. You can fluff it so that it's not so like tame, but you don't have to go in and separate it. So that's the good thing. But yeah, what I'm gonna do is probably speed this part up so you guys aren't super bored. And I will come back when I'm all done. we are halfway done. All right, so I am all done with taking them out. Now normally I would like pick to the gods, and I'm gonna pick some, but I'm not gonna pick a whole lot because I do want this to last me, and it could last you up to another week or longer, just depending on how you maintain your hair. I will probably just put it in some like 2 pigtails and maybe band it, I don't know, or sleep with like a loose bun and call it a day. And I guarantee you I probably I guarantee you that I probably still have a twist or 2 in here, so as the days go by, as it gets bigger and frizzier, I'll be able to see that. So yeah, like that's so much better. I just take the hair, hold it taut, and I just fluff at my roots. So yeah, super cute, and you can like flip it and do your edges up and everything. I'm not gonna do that because I ain't got nowhere to go. We quarantining or whatever, so I just got off work and I'm hungry, so I'm gonna get me some food. But yeah, I think it's cute with that. It's so funny because like my hair is now long enough that I can actually flip it over. Like that was always like a milestone for me. But I think I'm gonna just do a middle part. I don't know. But yeah, this is the hair. Let me get close so you guys can see. And I don't have any flaking or anything from using the edge booster or edge style factor, edge whatever. So I really do like that, and it really did keep my definition and just keep my style looking good. I feel like on this side I got some twist still in there, but this is my struggle side, so I'm sorry I keep touching my hair. Okay, but yeah, that is the end of this video. Hopefully your quarantining or social distancing is going well, and you guys are just taking care of yourself, trying to eat good, you know, maybe practicing some yoga, and just not going crazy. Honestly, it will be over soon, but in the meantime, I am about to make me something to eat because I'm hungry and get caught up on some anime. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Comment, like, and share, and subscribe because it's free $99. And yeah, let me know any other videos you guys want to see from me. I'm thinking about doing like a week in my natural hair because I love watching those videos. So let me know if that's something that you would be interested in. Honestly though, like it would be probably 2 weeks in my natural hair, or because I don't do my hair weekly, as I stated before. So yeah, this is her, and I will see you guys in the very next video. Namaste.